Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset control center on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to reset your control center, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and now in settings, very first you can try to update your software. So go to your general section, go to software update, and just make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS or you haven't any pending software update. If you find just try to update your phone, after that just simply go back and just look for control center here. So you might get it here, or if you can't find, just go for the search option and simply search for control center. And you might get the setting, just select control center. Now just tap on reset control center option, then tap on it again. And you can see there's mirror control center now. So just tap on reset control center. So it will completely reset your control center to its default. So in this way, you can easily reset your iPhone control center. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.